Okay, so I have my 2018 Jeep Wrangler here. It's this Sport Wrangler Unlimited, the JK. This is like the 10th time this happens to me. I only have 7,902 miles. And look, I'm turning the key, right? And it won't start. Truck is in park. Still nothing. I'll probably gonna have to stay here for another 30 minutes before I can get this the engine running. So anyway, this is just a little proof of what happens like once a week. Nothing. Parking. Let me close the door. Let me see. Let me lock and unlock. Try again. Lights go on the dashboard. Forget about that check TPM system. That's just me that I put different wheels and I need an oil change, which is like whatever, you know, but still keep trying. Always the same. Once a week, maybe twice a week, I gotta deal with this. 2018 Jeep Wrangler, 7,902 miles.